Hello everyone. Today I need your help to figure this out. Let me give you the background. I bought this DJI Osmo Action camera back in June this year, and I have loved using this camera. Some of you might have even seen my positive reviews on YouTube channel, and I know a few of you bought this camera based on my recommendations. But at the end of September, just 3 months after I bought it, the little cover for the USB-C port got lost. As you know, without the cover, the camera isn't weatherproof anymore, meaning it can easily get damaged. I only bought this camera for 3 months, so it should be under warranty, right? So I did the logical thing and I contacted the DJI support. A while later, they sent me a replacement, and that's where the real trouble started. The problem is I have no idea how to install this new cover. This is the replacement USB-C cover they sent me, but I don't know what I can do with it. I mean, look at that. There was no way it can fit into this. So this is the cover. So I put it here, and there was no way it can click and fit into this place. Do you see what I mean? It won't stay. I have called and emailed DJI multiple times. The support agents are always polite, but it feels like they are not understanding the problem. They sent me links to tutorial videos, and after watching those, plus a bunch of others from different YouTubers, I'm convinced the part that they sent me is either the wrong one or it's just plain defective. Why? Because it seems to be missing the latch that locks it in place. Without that, it's impossible to install. I have seen other people's cover. They all have a latch which extends outside this part, so you can basically put it into place, and it will click and fit into the slot. I'm going to show you the screen capture from DJI's tutorial. Do you see what I mean? And they have a latch which stretches out so you can click it into place. I've tried to explain this to DJI. They asked me to send a photo of this cover, which I did, and they kept insisting it's the correct part, that all I need to do is press the red square to make the latch pop out. Okay, look. Here is the piece they sent me, and I'm pressing the red square right here on camera, and nothing, absolutely nothing happens. Nothing pops out. It seems like the latch is completely missing or defective. So I'm asking for another replacement. After all, it's a very low-cost item. Now, the agent told me I had to make a video to prove what I was talking about. So, DJI, this video is for you and for everyone watching. Please tell me, am I missing something obvious here, or is this part defective? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you have had the same problem, I hope this video helps.